Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Breaking down how to run a Nexus node right on your mobile device in 2025. Whether you're trying to help support the network or just want to experiment with decentralized tech on the go. This guide has everything you need to get started right away. So let's jump right in. The first method is using an Android phone with Termux, a terminal emulator app that allows you to run Linux commands on your device. Go ahead and install Termux from F-Droid or the Play Store. Once you've got that, open it up and update the package by typing pkg update end pkg upgrade. After that, install the essential tools like Git, wget, and Clang. Now head over to the official Nexus GitHub and clone their node repository. From there, you will need to build the node using the terminal and follow the setup instructions in their documentation. This setup turns your phone into a live node and lets you interact directly with the Nexus blockchain. But if you want something way simpler, the Nexus mobile wallet is another great option. It doesn't run a full node, but it lets you connect to the network, send in, receive, and next, and you still play a part in the ecosystem without draining your battery or hitting your device. Just download it from their official site or trusted app store. There is one important note though. If you are going for the full node setup, be sure your device stays plugged in and connected to the Wi-Fi. Syncing can take a long time and your phone will definitely get warm. And this is pretty much it. Whether you're going to full node with a Termux or keeping simple with a mobile wallet, you can now be a part of Nexus straight from your phone. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, drop a like, leave any question in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mobile blockchain tutorials. Catch you guys in the next one.